Today we're at the AHR show in Las Vegas and we're introducing MicroGroove. MicroGroove is a term that's been adopted by the industry to describe small diameter tubes within a groove tube. The advantage of this is it allows our customers to provide economical and eco-friendly solutions in air conditioning and refrigeration.
If small diameter tubes are going to remain economically viable, it's clear that you have to use the material as efficiently as possible. Some of the major benefits of small diameter tubes are they're energy efficient. They use less material, they use less refrigerant, and yet at the same time you can use a proven existing manufacturing process.
The biggest challenges that the OEMs are facing today are cost pressures and regulatory issues on how to improve efficiency. They can no longer use the standard size diameter copper tubes because of the cost pressures that they're under. They have to also reduce the size of their units in order to reduce the cost of the exterior packaging, compressors and fans that are required for the units. And at the same time, they're being pressured by the regulatory authorities to increase the efficiency of their units. So they can no longer do business as usual. They have to find some technological answers that allow them to stay in business with a less expensive product that performs better. Perhaps one of the toughest tasks any manufacturer faces.
Understand the advantage of a small diameter tube is simply by looking at the distance from the center of the tube to the wall is simply shorter than in a bigger tube. If you wanted the flow inside the tube to touch the walls, the internal walls, you would need some kind of a turbulator, and that will create a high pressure drop. If you go to smaller tubes, turbulators are not required because the center of the flow is close to the wall.
There are many driving forces on the market today. We have to take into account an increase in energy efficiency and at the same time reducing cost, to look at new refrigerants and to provide less refrigerant use, and to provide smaller compact units for the market with a better value.
For the moment, we are working with leading OEM companies in China, including Gree, Haier, Meitier, Cologne, and Chico. Those OEMs, their production account for like 70% of the market share in China. We help them to optimize the system so that they can use MicroGroove smaller diameter copper tubes in their products. For the moment, their production in total, adopting 5mm copper tube products, has been 5 million units. So I think we'll keep going to cooperate with them to push things forward, and I think we will have a very good rapport with the industry and help the industry to achieve their goals.